Nestled in the Sahyadri ranges of Maharashtra, Naneghat is a place that quietly challenges the laws of nature. Its famous reverse waterfall is a rare and spectacular phenomenon, where instead of falling downward, water appears to rise upward into the sky, pushed by strong monsoon winds. This surreal sight surprises even the most experienced trekkers. Naneghat is not just a natural wonder but also a 2000-year-old historic trade route. In ancient times, this mountain pass connected the Konkan seaports of Sopara, Kalyan, and Thane with Junnar, an important economic and political hub during the Satavahana, Chalukya, and Shilahara dynasties. Even today, the site features rock-cut caves, Brahmi and Devanagari inscriptions, and a stone pot used for collecting coins, believed to be India's oldest toll booth. The name, Naneghat, itself comes from Nane, meaning coin, and Ghat, meaning mountain pass. The Naneghat trek falls under the easy to moderate category, making it accessible even for beginners with basic fitness. The trek from the Mumbai-Konkan side is about 8 km one way, while direct road access is available from the Pune side. Trekkers are rewarded with stone staircases, forest trails, and breathtaking views where the Deccan Plateau meets the Konkan. July to September, the monsoon season, is the best time to visit Naneghat, as the reverse waterfall appears in its full glory. Flowing water over the stone steps creates a soothing and immersive experience. This destination is perfect for nature lovers, trekkers, photographers, history enthusiasts, and offbeat travelers. Apart from the reverse waterfall, visitors can explore attractions like Jivdhan Fort, the Naneghat and Ghat pinnacle, and stunning Konkan-facing viewpoints. For accommodation, several homestays are available around Junnar and Ghat, offering simple yet warm hospitality. During monsoon weekends, temporary food stalls appear along the trekking route. After reaching Junnar, travelers should definitely try authentic Maharashtrian food such as pitla bhakri, kanda bhaji, varan bhat, and local buttermilk, perfect comfort food after a trek. Naneghat is not for those seeking luxury, but for travelers who value experiences earned through effort. Here, stones whisper stories of history, clouds dance at eye level, and waterfalls flow toward the sky, reminding us that nature always has a surprise waiting.